In this video, we will demonstrate the correct installation of a thin-walled sleeve expansion anchor intended for light-duty uses in concrete and hard masonry such as brickwork and stone. They should not be used in lightweight thermal or hollow block work. The manufacturer's recommendations on positioning within the masonry unit and other dimensional limitations must be followed. Ensure that the anchor to be installed is the exact type specified and carries a European Technical Assessment or ETA. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions as detailed on the packaging and always wear the appropriate PPE. Make sure you have the correct tools for the installation, as shown here. Only use drill bits which carry the PGM mark of quality assurance. This will ensure that the drill bit diameter is manufactured to specified controlled dimension. Start by drilling the hole to the correct diameter and depth. The manufacturer's recommendations regarding close edge distances and anchor center spacing should always be followed. Thoroughly clean the hole by brushing and blowing to ensure that the drilling debris is removed from the hole. Tap the anchor through the fixture and into the hole until fully inserted. Flanges should have appropriate clearance holes for drilling and anchor insertion. The anchor shall be tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque using a calibrated torque wrench. Always check the anchor for compliance. Drill to the correct diameter and depth. Blow and brush any remaining drilling debris out of the hole. Tap the anchor through the fixture and into the hole until fully inserted. Tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque. This video is a guide only, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions during installation. You can find more demonstrations just like this one on our website, the-cfa.co.uk, as well as method statements and technical advice and documentation.